Understanding the motherboard, the heart of your computer. Join us as we explore the crucial role of the motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all parts of your computer. Fun facts about motherboards. The first motherboards appeared in IBM computers in the 1980s. Modern gaming motherboards often include advanced features like RGB lighting and built-in Wi-Fi. Key functions of the motherboard include connecting the CPU, RAM, and storage devices, managing data flow and power distribution, activating the BIOS/UEFI for system checks. The motherboard contains several critical components. CPU socket, where the processor is installed. RAM slots, 4 memory modules to enhance speed. Expansion slots, to add graphics and sound cards. A motherboard typically features a complex layout of circuits and connectors, resembling a city's road network. What can you connect to a motherboard? CPU, installed directly onto the motherboard. RAM, plugged into designated slots for multitasking. Graphics card, attached via PCIe slots for enhanced graphics. The importance of a motherboard. If it fails, the entire computer may not function. Careful handling and compatibility checks are essential. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you now have a better understanding of the vital role of the motherboard in your computer.